March 2026. The sky over the port is the color of a dead channel, but the API is glowing. GPT 5.4 has arrived, introducing a fundamental shift in how we architect AI. This isn't just a model update, it's a structural evolution, giving developers a literal dial for intelligence and cost through the new reasoning effort parameter and native agentic tools. The economics of the sprawl are shifting rapidly. GPT 5.4 Mini is the standout champion, delivering 54.38% coding performance for a massive 6x cost reduction. Meanwhile, the new Nano model offers a basement tier price of just 20 cents per million tokens, making high-volume data extraction and routing accessible to every rogue coder in the city. The headline feature is reasoning effort. Unlike temperature, which merely adds randomness to the output, effort controls the internal chain of thought tokens the model generates. You can now choose between 5 levels, from none for instant classification to X high for complex math proofs and security audits, allowing for surgical precision in your compute allocation. Consolidation is the new survival strategy. GPT 5.4 integrates native computer use and GPT Image 1.5 directly into the core API. This removes the operational complexity of managing external services like Playwright or separate image generation chains. Your agents can now see, act, and generate within a single unified context window, reducing latency significantly. Implementation is straightforward using the new Responses API. In Python, you simply pass the reasoning configuration. Here, we use low effort for a simple classification task to save on cost and speed, while switching to high effort for a deep security review of a code snippet to ensure maximum logic depth. JavaScript developers can leverage a triage pattern to optimize costs. By using GPT 5.4 Nano with 0 reasoning tokens as a router, you can classify task complexity first, then programmatically route the request to the appropriate model and effort level, ensuring you never overpay for simple tasks while maintaining quality for the hard ones. To get started, ensure your environment is updated to the latest SDK version. You can verify the new models and monitor the internal reasoning tokens in your usage metadata. This metadata is crucial for tracking the hidden costs of high-effort reasoning calls, providing a transparent view of how much compute your agents are actually consuming. The model lineup is segmented for the modern dev stack. The standard 5.4 is your production workhorse, but watch the 272K token cliff where input prices double. Pro is for high-stakes agentic work, Mini is the cost-performance leader, and Nano is the specialist for high-volume data extraction and simple routing logic. Mastering the 5 reasoning levels is key to performance. None and low provide the fastest response times for simple tasks. Medium is the balanced default for coding, while high and X high are for deep analysis. Be aware that X high can increase costs by 3 to 5 times due to the massive generation of internal thought tokens. The Realtime API moving to general availability is the final piece of the puzzle. Combined with computer use and image generation, OpenAI has effectively created a unified operating system for AI. Developers can now build low-latency, multimodal agents that can see the screen, talk to users, and execute code within a single, coherent framework. GPT 5.4 isn't just an incremental update. It's the most architecturally significant release for developers since the original chat completions. It moves us away from prompt engineering and toward true cognitive engineering, giving us the tools to build autonomous systems that are both smarter and more efficient than ever before. The grid is evolving, and your stack needs to keep up. If you're building autonomous agents or high-scale AI pipelines, GPT 5.4 is your new baseline. For the full technical breakdown, cost-benefit analysis, and more code examples, head over to Effloow.com and jack into the future.